So unfortunately I do not have the time to install the head today, so I put it over there. The only thing left is literally putting it on the block, so that's it. So what we're gonna tackle now, for the time being, we're gonna change the super worn seal on the oil level sensor, which was leaking, for a brand new one. And we're gonna install the upgraded oil cooler with the seals as well. So as you can see, the old one is super dirty, very flat, it's barely sticking out. If it focuses, there you go, that one's way thicker, brand new pretty much, so nothing to add there. So I'm gonna use a flathead, take this one off, and then put that one in. So now it's installed, you literally just have to put it in the specific hole. So you just have to align the holes and then put the 3 small screws in there. And tighten them. So I'm gonna just tighten them, I'm not gonna record. There is no need to use any Toru spec or anything. If anyone does tell you, oh, you need to torque these at that spec, they're just stupid and retarded. They haven't even, you can know that they haven't worked on a car. It's aluminum, so don't strip it, yet don't leave it loose, just tighten it and that's it. Okay, now on to the oil cooler seals and install. So I already put them here. So the part number is 306-37339. And then we're gonna put the bigger oil cooler. If you can see, it's way thicker. The OEM one stops around there. So it got like 15 to 25% more oil cooling capacity. Bolts are all cleaned, and then just install it, that's it. That's it. It's all installed now. It looks good on it too. Yeah, big difference with the OEM one. Really happy. So if you guys made it till the end, I want to take the time and thank you. I know it didn't go as planned, we didn't install the head, but at least I got some things done. It's looking good, we're almost done. The rest is literally the most satisfying. So installing the head, installing this, it's literally just putting some seal gaskets and tightening everything down, and that's literally it. So thank you guys, and we're gonna see each other in the next video. Bye-bye.